this video, we will explore how to effectively use the Curves tool to enhance the cinematic quality of your videos in CapCut PC. To start, add your footage to the timeline and go to the Adjustment tab where you will find the Curves tool feature. The tool is divided into 4 options: Luma, red, green, and blue, each representing different aspects of the image: white, highlights, midtones, shadows, and blacks. Begin by selecting Luma. Place 3 points on the curve and adjust them based on your footage's requirements. You can manipulate shadows, midtones, and highlights to achieve the desired effect. Next, move to the red curve. Mark 3 points and enhance the red tones in your footage by adjusting the highlights accordingly. Proceed to the green curve and repeat the process by marking 3 points to fine-tune the green color in your video. Lastly, focus on the blue curve. Mark 3 points and adjust the midtones, highlights, and blacks to create a balanced color composition. Compare the before and after of your footage to see the transformation. For further enhancement, make additional adjustments to perfect the overall look of your video. That's it. We hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.